Now I'll give you some instructions on how to use China Academic Journals full-text database, as well as China Doctoral Dissertations and Master Thesis full-text database. First, get into the website of Journal Database. Click Login button on the top title bar and enter your username and password. If your institute has already subscribed our products and your computer's IP address is in the institute's IP list, you will automatically log in. If you do not log in, you can only use search and browse functions but cannot download the full text. Next, let's check the navigation function. There are several navigation methods that helps to narrow down your search range and provide quick access to information. On the left side of the page is Subject Navigation column, where resources are divided into 10 series according to the following subject categories, and further divided into 168 subjects and over 3,000 sub-subjects. You can click Select All to select all navigation categories. Click Clear to clear up all categories selected, or click the checkbox in front of the subject name to limit the search to one or more categories. The page merely shows series by default. You can click the plus sign to reveal all subjects under one series, and click it again to get sub-subjects. Click the minus sign, and the text of lower levels is hidden. Click Search, and you will get the search results under the search conditions you have set up. Subjects navigation applies to both the journal and dissertation database. In addition to subjects navigation, there's another navigation method for journal database. Click Journal Navigation and get to the navigation page. Journals can be navigated by the initial of the journal titles, subjects, citation index databases, and others. First, let's see title navigation. You can click any letter to find a journal whose title starts with this letter. Please note that it only works with Chinese pinyin title instead of the English one. For instance, click J, and the first journal in the J list is Economic Research Journal, whose pinyin title starts with J. Subject navigation classifies journals into 10 series and 168 subjects based on subject categories. For instance, you can choose subject biology under Series A, and then you will see all the journals included in this subject. Online First Journal Navigation shows journals whose full text will be published online ahead of the journal's printed edition. It helps readers to obtain leading-edge research findings and gain new insights more quickly. When you have a blank search, you will get the number of all online first journals. Citation index databases classifies journals based on the citation index databases they are included in. For instance, we have 1,667 journals in CA, 262 in SA, 136 in SAI, and 202 in EI. Publication frequency classifies journals by annual, semi-annual, quarterly, bi-monthly, monthly, semi-monthly, every 10 days, and weekly. Journal honors classifies journals by the honors they received, such as 100 National Key Periodical, the 3rd National Periodicals Prize, and so on. Century Journals Navigation collects the journals published from 1915 to 1993, with some of them dating back to the first issue. China Core Journals refer to those included in Chinese Core Journals Overview. China Core Journals Overview, published by Peking University, is the most authoritative reference book to evaluate the academic value of Chinese journals. China University Selected Scientific Journals include the journals with the China University Selected Scientific Journals Award conferred by Ministry of Education in 2006. Publication Locations Navigation classifies journals by their publication locations, including 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in North China, East China, South China, Northeast China, Northwest China, Southwest China, and Central China. Sponsors Navigation classifies journals by sponsors like publishing houses, universities, research institutes, and societies. After checking the journal navigation design for journal database, let's see the degree grantors navigation for dissertation database. Click Degree Grantors and get to the navigation page. This section is divided into two parts, districts and specialties. The district part classifies degree grantors by North China, Northeast China, East China, Central China, South China, Northwest China, and other regions. You can click any province, municipality, or autonomous region under different categories. For instance, click Beijing City under North China, and you will see 115 grantors in Beijing. Here you can sort the results by province, paper amount, sites, or downloads. Let's take Tsinghua University as example and get to the grantor page. Here you will see 12 disciplines, as well as first-level disciplines and specialties under different disciplines. Let's see the discipline engineering, under which there are 32 first-level disciplines, such as mechanics, mechanical engineering, power engine, and so on. Under power engine, there are 6 specialties, like engineering, thermal power, and so on. Click paper amount after specialty engineering thermal physics, and you will get to see all the articles under this specialty. You can search within the search results like molecular. Group the results by subject, advisor, found, research level, keywords, and sort the results by sites, downloads, level of excellent papers, and degree year. After checking the district part, let's see the specialties part. Here you will see 12 disciplines and all the first-level disciplines and specialties under them. Choose any of them, and you will see all the degree grantors related to a specific discipline or specialty. You can sort the results by province, paper amount, advisor amount, sites, and downloads, by which you will see the academic level of different universities on different disciplines. Click the grantor, and you will get the articles list. That's all for the navigation part. Next, let's go back to the journal database and see the search functions. 7 search methods are provided to meet the needs of the academic literature search in journal database: quick search, basic search, professional search, scholar search, found search, sentence search, and source search. The default search method is basic search. The quick search is the simplest search method. Just enter the search term in the search bar, click the quick search button, and you will get the search results. Basic search is the most commonly used. There are 2 parts on the basic search: content search range and content features. The content search range is folded by default, and you can click the plus sign to unfold it and type in detailed search conditions such as date, source, found, and so on. The content features search defaults to subject search, which covers article title, keywords, and abstract. Choose subject as the search condition, and you will get the search results in these 3 aspects. The search conditions also default to precise search. You can switch to fuzzy search to get more results. Under the search conditions are 3 new publishing modes. Online first refers to an immediate online publication of thinking academic journals in the form of the entire issue or a single article prior to the printed version. Enhanced publishing includes text, data sheet, image, audio, video, software program, and manuscript, in addition to the content published in printed edition. Data paper focuses on academic data and related information including data acquisition, data processing, and analytical method. The manuscript of data paper is composed of description document, Dataset, and Metadata. You can choose any of the 3 new publishing modes to get more precise results. In professional search, you can type in retrieval formulas based on retrieval grammar and logical operators, which is especially designed for professional users who are used to doing complicated search. In Scholar search, by entering the author's name and institution, you can get all the articles published by the author and related information, such as sites and downloads. And you can have a full picture of the author's research fields and findings based on the grouped search results. In Found search, you can find the founded articles by entering the font title. And the grouped information will give you the whole picture of the research fields and subjects covered by a specific font. You can also click the ellipsis button after the search box. Select related fonts and search the articles. In sentence search, you can enter 2 search terms to get the article containing them too in a sentence or in a paragraph. In source search, you can enter detailed information about the journal like name, SS number, CN number to get the articles included in this journal. So in journal database, we have these 7 search methods, while in the dissertation database, we only have 5 of them, which work in the same way as they do in the journal database. Next, let's go back to the journal database and see the search results page. Let's take 生态旅游 as an example. The functions in the search results part apply to both the journal and dissertation database. In this page, we can group the search results by subject, journal title, font, research level, author affiliation, and keywords, which helps to refine the search results. And the results are automatically sorted by relevance and can be re-sorted by publication date, sites, or downloads. All the results will be sorted in a descending order. And the 4 types of icons before the serial number indicates different literature status. This green arrow indicates this article has been subscribed and the full text can be downloaded. The green arrow indicates this article has not been subscribed and the full text cannot be downloaded. The yellow arrow indicates that you are not logged in, with only search and browse functions available. The last one, the red icon, indicates that this article is classified or has been authorized by the publishing house, so its full text download service has been activated. The default display style is list view, and you can switch to detail view. The list view displays the title, author, journal title, publishing year, article sites, and downloads, while the detail view displays the title, author, journal title, keywords, abstract, downloads, and publication time. Let's move on to the left column. The system will recommend words similar to the search word. Click any word and it will be automatically directed to the new search page. The system will also recommend words relevant to the search word and help users to reconstruct more effective query. After getting the search results you want, you can click Save to export a batch of literature information with at most 50 records. You can choose different export formats, or even customize it according to your own needs. Let's go back to the search results page. You can switch to list view, click the journal title and get to the journal page. You you will see all the journal information, including journal title, sponsor, publication frequency, publication location, language, and journal history, and so on. You can click a specific year to review all the issues published in that year, and click a specific issue to review the article list. You can also search in this journal. The search terms include subject, title, keywords, abstract, author, author affiliation, reference, full text, font, and CLC code. Let's go back to the search results page. Click the title of the article and you will get to the article page, which provides detailed and extensive information of the article. The system provides two download formats, CAG and PDF download. We strongly recommend you to choose CAG format. We'll download a large file like the dissertations. Otherwise, the download errors might occur. We also offer an HTML full text reading function by which you can read the article online. On the left side of the page is the article outline, helping to directly reach the part you are interested in. The following part is the knowledge network node, the most valuable function of the database. The node document includes title, author, institution, abstract, keywords, font, source, CLC code, sites, downloads, and so on. Knowledge network of the node document includes reference, sub-reference, citing documents, sub-cited documents, co-citing documents, and co-cited documents. Reference is overall or partial reference to a book or thesis during academic research. Sub-reference is the reference of this article's reference sources, further reflecting the research background and basis. Citing documents are documents that cite this article, while sub-cited documents are documents that cite the citing documents of this article, further reflecting the development and evaluation of the research. Co-citing documents are documents that share the same reference and research content with this article. Co-cited documents are documents cited as reference together with this article. If document A and B are both cited as references by document C, then document A and B are co-cited documents. You can click each of these items to download the documents you need, or just click Download this knowledge network node to download all the related documents. That's all for the instructions. Thank you for your attention.